Okay. Okay, dance step. Presenting to you, Miss Mitch P. Contingent from America, USA. Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations. Contestant number 2 from
Atisa Manalo, ikaw na siya, Chelsea Manalo.
Chelsea Van Manalo from Bulacan, Australia.
Ang matagal din nakapul sa next round.
Congratulations! You have made it. So, contingent number 3 from Antarctica. Miss. Singalan ano niya?
Alexi Brooks.
Miss Alexi Brooks from Antarctica. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Congratulations. And last but not the least, from Antarctica. Miss Antarctica, who's this? Mr. North Pole from Antarctica. Miss North Pole.